Welcome to Snow Savory Secrets. Learn to cook healthy with Nimi's Hype Journal. Stay tuned, follow, subscribe, like, and share.
Thank you for stopping by my channel. To preserve your beef flour, you have to pack it inside an airtight container, and that is what I'm doing now. So we'll be making moi moi today and akara. So let's start cooking. In a bowl, add 2 cups of flour. Then you get your seasoning. Add your seasoning of your choice, anything you like to add it. Then you add your crayfish, your salt, and stir. You're going to stir it properly. Yes. After which you add a cup of water. Water. Then you add 1 egg and what else again? Okay, we'll be adding our pepper mix. I didn't have tatashi, so I just did pepper and onion. So I'll be stirring it. I'm going to stir it until it is well incorporated. So as it is now, my paste is too thick, so I have to add more water because it's moi moi. So you can add more than this amount of water that I added. It depends on how you want it. So I like my own a bit thick, not too watery. So I've added my oil. So I'm going to be turning it. I'm going to be stirring it. I'll stir it until the oil is well incorporated. Then now I'm going to add a little bit of water because it seems too thick. So this is it. I'll still stir it again because it has to be, well incorporated since it was dry before. So you can see our moi moi paste is ready. So now we are going to pack it. So I did not have leather, I did not have leaves. So I'll be using foil. I tried using this foil in a way, but it did not work. So I decided to what? I decided to use another method. Just pour it and tie it at the top. So this is what I'm doing. I tried making it like styling it in form of a leaf form, but it did not work because it was too soft. So I changed my style to a different way. Yes, just for it to just sharp pack inside somewhere. So I added 1 cup of water to it. I think I 1.5 cup of water. Yes. So our moi moi is ready to be cooked. So I'm putting it on fire while I adjust my camera for you to see. Yes, let's go to the next level, which is akara. In a bowl, add 2 cups of beans flour, add 1 egg, and we're going to add salt, a pinch of salt. We're going to add a pinch of salt. Sorry, I didn't capture that. I added a pinch of salt. I added my pepper mix and a cup of water. Okay, this is the video. Sorry, I just did it anyhow. So I believe you've seen everything I added. So now we are going to now turn it. We are going to turn it. We are going to turn it until everything is well incorporated. We're going to put our oil on fire and allow it to be hot. I did the first one, but I didn't capture it, so I have to show you the second one. And this is the second one we are doing. So we're going to add our paste on fire. You can see it's thick. See it's thick. I know some people usually complain that the beans flour don't usually rise. It's not true. It depends on how you did your own. It depends on how if you follow the step I follow, it will surely rise. Look at, you can see Because after I added water, I allow it to rest for some time. After I mixed everything, I allow it to rest for some time before I started frying it so that it would like soften up. You get, so fry our akara is on fire. You can see you're going to fry it until it's golden brown. So see our akara is ready. So we're going to pack it now. See, very easy. This thing will not even take your time. Once you are done with your beans food, you can make moi moi very early in the morning. It will not even take you time. You can even make akara and pap for like 10 minutes. You are done with everything. You just make your pap, make your akara, and you are done. Breakfast is set. So you don't have to go and buy. So our akara is ready. So I have to put them in the same plate. You see, this is our moi moi, and this is our akara. You can see golden brown is so fine. And trust me, it's sweet. Did you taste this moi moi? You did not taste it. Our moi moi is so sweet. The akara is sumptuous. Thank you for
Like,
watching.
share, and subscribe to our channel. Follow us on all social media at name research.